naghimo kog file diri sa user sa Chris. Akong gibutang nga is kaning nga folder, midterm activity 2. Then adto ko sa VS Code. Tas first ma'am kani adto ko sa terminal, gipadagan ako ang node version, ang npm version. Tapos nag-create na dayon ko og kuan ma'am, npx create react app nga habili ang ngalan. Tapos ako na din siyang gi-install ma'am. After that one ma'am, I called my app, then npm start. Then after na dayon ato ma'am, kay mao na din siya ning gawas. Pagguman na ko type sa npm start, then pagguman mao na din ning gawas. Tas pag control C na ko ani ma'am, pag paste na ko diri ma'am, naa na din siya. So for the transaction of an array are such, it has ID number, it has 1 2 3. Also it has a text called salary, bills, rent, or any amount will do if the user is input amount. Then after that, the calculation balance would also adds up all the amount in the transactions to compute the current balance. Then the calculate income filters transactions with positive amount and sums them to get the total income. So for the total expenses, it filters also with negative amount, sums, then it returns the total expenses. So for the balance section, it displays the current amount, the current of the calculation balance, also the income and the expenses section separates, shows income and expenses or income using their respective functions. Also, the history list displays all transactions, income transactions, and have also a plus class, while expenses have a minus class. So for adding a new transaction, the form of the bottom allows users to input a new transactions to the project. Also, when the form is submitted, the new transaction is added to the transactions array, so that the transaction will display and the inputs are cleared. So the output with this will be this one. So 314 ang balance. Then if I add TV, so the amount with, so 14. So if I add that, So the amount of this TV is double the transactions it adds on. So the total, so my balance would be $328, and also the income would be, or the total expenses would be add on to the TV bill.